Good morning, my dear students. Today, I'm just begin with the concept of yesterday. I think so. You have remember that we have done with a different commands in which we are supposed to update the data, we are supposed to delete the data, and we are supposed to display the data on the basis of different criterias. Different criterias. Today, we are just talking about different ways by which we are supposed to insert the data, in which we are supposed to consider this as a that we are performing old style as well as a new style. I'm typing here old style, and here it is one more is which is to be called as a new style. And before starting this concept, my dear respected students, I just want to I was just want to tell that we having a query where which we called it as a f percentage v. If you remember, during the time we are supposed to practically attempt that particular thing, in such case we are showing that f is to be called as a template string. What we call this as a template string. Sir, I'm not going to understand this thing, that what do you understand by a template string? Okay, no problem. And after that, here it is, v stands for a value. V stands for a value. Now I'm just going to interrelate that what do you understand by a template string, and after that there is a modulus operator which is to be considered as an old style for accepting a value during runtime, and v representing a value. Now, with a practical demonstration, now kindly concentrate. Here it is, my dear respected students, import. I'm just going to import a PyMySQL. Okay. After that, we are just going to open the database and all information, that is password, user, and after that host. Next, we are supposed to create a cursor and which allows us to interrelate Python with a MySQL. Is this clear now? Itna clear hai? Now, what I am going to do here, I'm just going to display data before updation. Before updation, we are supposed to display the data on the screen with the help of this execute command, which says that select star from t underscore d1, the table which we are previously using in our practical demonstrations. Here it is, fetch all says that they are supposed to display the entire data which is there in the table. And now what we are going to do here, kindly concentrate, it's my humble request. Now the old style is supposed to be implemented practically, and you are requested to kindly concentrate in this revision session. It says that I want to use one variable which is to be called as a R number for accepting a roll number of a student. And I'm just going to display this information. Use n1 and desc t underscore d1 and semicolon, hit enter. Here it is. It says yes, we have a field which is to be considered as a R number. मेरे पास एक field है, and if you want to display the data, select star from t underscore d1 and we are going to hit the enter key. The data is going to be displayed on the screen. Now kindly concentrate. It says that we having a particular variable which is to be called as a R number for accepting a roll number of a student. And what we are going to do here in this variable ABC, we are going to mention the query which representing for SQL. Okay. What we are going to write here, select asterisk from t underscore d1 where roll number is equal to percentage s. Sir, what do you understand by a percentage s? Percentage s, my dear respected student. Now you are going to interrelate the concept. Here it is. What I have selected right now is supposed to be considered as a template string, which we mentioned here. Okay, this is to be called as a template string. This is to be considered as a template string. Now I think so the concept is clear. After that, there is a modulus operator. There is a modulus operator. Okay, and here it is as representing. Remember this thing, that when we are using an integer or a decimal value, in such case there is no need to mention the single quotes here. Kindly listen carefully. I am just going to, there is no need to insert single quotes here, because right now we are talking about a integer value. Roll number is an integer value. Then I'm just going to delete this. And here it is. This is representing for the integer value. It means this modulus s representing that we are supposed to accept some value from the user. And now what we are going to mention here, this percentage s representing that this is a integer value. This is a integer value. And right now, my dear respected student, now this is to be considered, this entire thing is to be considered as a template string. दोबारा बोलिए क्या है ये? Template string. Now we are having a modulus operator. Okay, it's fine. And now this R number, and this R number is being accepted from the user. R number, it means that is to be considered as a roll number. And why we use this comma here in spite of writing only roll number? Because this is to be considered as a tuple. This is to be considered as a tuple. Now the thing will be clear. I think so. Kindly concentrate. It's my humble request. Here it is. This entire thing is to be considered as, this is to be considered as a template string. Very good. And after this modulus operator, now the next thing is to be considered as a value. This is to be considered as value. Now the thing will be clear. Okay. My dear respected student, what I'm going to do here, now this time I'm just going to run that particular program, and they are supposed to display where roll number is equal to modulus s means integer or a decimal value. I'm just going to hit the F5 here, press the enter key. What it says, okay, I'm just going to delete that particular data which is there on the top of the program. I'm just going to hit F5 and hit the enter key. What happened now? They are, first of all, they are simply display the content of the entire table, which is to be considered as a T_D1. Now they are asking for a roll number of that particular student where you want to display the content. Now, what I am going to display here, I'm just going to enter the roll number 5. As and when I'm just going to enter 5 and hit the enter key, can you please tell me what will be the desired output here? Here, two students having a roll number 5. One is a Preet, Gogna, and second is a Tanisha. So I am going to hit the enter key and the desired result will be there. मेरी बात मेरे बच्चों को clear है? Is clear? Okay. Now again, I am just moving back to the program. Sir, what will be the purpose of a string? Now kindly concentrate. I am just going to terminate this information and make this an active statement. मैं इसको एक active statement बना रहा हूँ. And what it says, kindly consider. Now this time, in spite of using a integer value, I am just going to accept a city. And city is supposed to be entered in a variable that is to be called as a m. मेरे बच्चे को मेरी बात clear है. Okay. Now what happened? Can you please tell me that whatever written inside the double quotes is to be called as a template string? Wow, great. And after that, this modulus operator, and what will be the m comma? It is a tuple. That's why we are supposed to insert, because there is only one variable. We are supposed to impose the comma there, and m representing a value of a city. Can you please identify one modification? Here it is, in case of modulus s, we are supposed to insert a single quotes in a front and end position. Why so? Because city is to be considered as a string. Where number is there or decimal value is there, there is no need to impose. And when we are talking about a string, we are supposed to insert these values. Now, I'm just going to hit the F5 again and enter key. Okay, the entire data will be displayed here. Is this clear to you? The entire data will be there. Okay. After that, what happens? They are asking for a city. Now, what I am going to do here, I'm just going to insert a Phagwara. And what will be the desired output? Can you please tell me? Here it is, Dev Jalota, Amanveer Singh, and Gurleen. I think so. 3 students, data is supposed to be appeared. Yes. The data is perfectly appeared. Amanveer, Dev Jalota, and Gurleen. This information is appeared on the screen. Now, I think so that the content will be clear to you, that now we are talking about the concept of, in this program, I am just talking the content of which? Old style. Old style style, in which when we talk about a f and modulus by v, and this f representing a template string, whereas when we talk about this v, what will be the value for v? What we consider it as? V is representing a value. मेरे बेटे को मेरी बात clear है? It's clear now that we are doing such a thing which representing a old style, in which we are using a template string as well as a value. Now clear? The practical demonstration is also clear. Okay. Now just tell me one thing. I'm just going to save this program, and I'm just going to open one more program here. And I just want that you give me the description for the same, if the concept is clear to you. First of all, just tell me, whenever this modulus by s or modulus, this operator is there, this is to be considered as an old style or a new style? Old style. Great. Here it is. These three lines are clear already. Now what they are going to do in this module, they are simply going to display the content of a table. Now what happened here? Now this time, my dear respected student, they are talking about a roll number as well as a city. They are asking for not one thing, they are asking for two different things. And here it is. In a query part, they mention select star from t underscore d1, where r number is greater than modulus s. Modulus s representing, without a single quotes, it's representing that this is the integer or a decimal, and city with a single quotes, which representing that this is to be considered as a string. Ye ek string hai. Now what we are going to do here, after this modulus operator, we are mentioning these two variables, that is a r and a city. R representing a roll number and city representing a city. Okay. After that, again, we are going to execute that particular thing, and we are supposed to fetch all the entire data we are supposed to display. Now, I'm just going to hit the F5, my dear student, and here it is, the program is running. Okay. Now what they required? They required, first of all, I think so, I'm just going to mention here, roll number is equal to 4. Okay. Remember, the query will be roll number is greater than, I think so. It mentioned here in this program, roll number is greater than. It means now the information of only those which is greater than 4. And in our case, there is only 2 students. One is Preet Gogna and second is a Tanisha. And both belongs to, I think so, both belongs to a city, that is a Jalandhar. So that's why I'm going to mention here Jalandhar. Okay. And whenever we are going to hit the information, okay, here it is 3. It means roll number is greater than 4. Here it is Gurpreet. Here it is Preet Gogna. And here it is a Tanisha. Students will be appearing on the screen. मेरे बेटे को मेरी बात समझ आ गई है? Is this clear to you? Okay. Again, I'm just going to open this program. If you want to change or if you want to modify anything, you can. अगर आप इसके अंदर कुछ भी modification करना चाहते हैं, आप कर सकते हैं. But you have to remember only one thing, my dear respected student. Here I am going to mention here, whenever we are supposed to mention a modulus by s, without, I'm going to mention here that without single quotes, it representing a int or decimal. But when we are talking about, then when we mention it with a single quote, that is a modulus by s here, then we called it as with single quotes. And what will be the expected value? That should be considered as a this should be considered as a string. मेरे बेटे को मेरी बात clear है? मेरी बात clear है? Is this clear to you? And now the concept of old style is clear. Revision section is completed. Okay. Only last thing I just want to include in this section. I'm just going to open a program here. We have done with 20, 21, and now I'm just going to open 22. I think so. Hannah? I'm just going to open 22. Okay. One important change is there. Rest will be the same. Here it is. The database is N1. We have created a cursor. We are supposed to display the data. The entire data will be there. And now we are supposed to insert or asking for a roll number and city. Kindly concentrate. We are just asking for the thing that is R representing a roll number and city representing the city of the student. And my dear respected student, here it is. It says select star from T_D1 where roll number. Sir, this time we are not using the concept of old style, which done with the help of a modulus operator along with S. Without single quote is an integer or decimal, and with single quote, which is to be considered as a string. Here it is, in spite of using that particular old style, now we are using a curly brackets. We are using the concept of curly brackets, and these curly brackets representing that we have some value on the basis of runtime from the user. But for the same, what we are going to do here, again, just identify this thing that without a single quotes, it's representing again an integer and a decimal value. And with a single quotes, it's representing that this will be a string. And here it is, in spite of using a modulus operator, we are using this time a function which is to be called as a format. In new style, we are using a function which is to be called as a format. And here it is the variable that should be R and city. मेरे बेटे को मेरी बात clear है? Very good. Can you please allow me to run this program? Okay. I'm just going to roll number is greater than. Okay. I'm just going to press the F5. Okay. What will be there? Roll number. For example, we are expecting that roll number. Here it is. I'm just going to click here. Roll number is 1. Greater than 1 it means. And hit the enter key. And I just want to display the information of the students of Phagwada. And whenever we are going to hit the enter key, here it is, all the roll numbers are greater than 1, but the second constraint will be that city will be Phagwada. मेरे बेटे को मेरी बात समझ आ गई है? Very good. Next, here it is. I'm just going to make this a comment. मैं इसको एक comment के अंदर लेके जा रहा हूँ. I'm just going to make this a comment. And next criteria, kindly concentrate. Okay, I'm just going to make this an active statement. What will be the meaning of that particular? That we are asking for the starting of marks and we are asking for the ending of marks. Okay, when we are going to display here 18, 17, 18, 25, 18, 17, 18. Okay, these will be the range of the marks. So now what we are going to do here? Select asterisk from T_D1 where marks not between. Not means नहीं. अगर हम यहाँ पे simple लिख देंगे, for example, kindly consider this an example, between M1 and M2, it means उसके बीच में जो आ रहे हैं, and both will be included. Remember this thing. So what we are going to do, we are just going to run that program. हम इसको एक बार run करके देखते हैं. And they are asking for the values. What we are going to mention here, I have just mentioned 15. Hit the enter key, and I have just mentioned 20. Okay, and whenever we are going to hit the enter key, they will display the information of only those which lies in between 15 and 20. And remember, both values will be included. Second, if you want to display the reverse of that particular, अगर आप इसका reverse देखना चाहते हैं, in such case, in spite of using between, what we are going to add? Not between. Again, F5 and hit the enter key. And again, I'm just going to insert the values 15 and 20 this time. And here it is, the information of only one student is appeared. That is roll number 6, and the marks will be 25. मेरे बेटे को मेरी बात समझ आई है? Now we have done two things. One will be considered as a old style, and second will be considered as a new style. In case of old style, we are using the concept of modulus with s. Without single quotes is a integer or decimal, and with single quotes is a string. मेरी बात समझ आ गई? Second case, sir, what do you understand by a new style? Sir, in case of a new style, we are using a dash brackets, curly brackets, and without single quotes meaning integer and decimal, and with single quotes means a string. But remember, in case of new style, we are using a function which is to be called as a format. Format function will be used. Hopefully the content will be clear to my dear students, and you are supposed to impose that particular thing in your practical sessions also. Thanks for your time, and God bless you.